That meat is so tender, and the cheesiness and the enchilada sauce. My wife sent me this recipe, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna put it in the crock pot on high for 7 hours. So we got a chuck roast and all these seasonings. It's gonna be added in there. I'm gonna use some enchilada sauce. Mother-in-law probably kill me if she found out I was using enchilada sauce in a can, but gotta do what you gotta do. A little Flavor God garlic lover seasoning, and mix all this together. Put it in there, 7 hours on high. Let's see how it tastes. Whoa, look at that. Oh man. So I'm gonna use these 0 net carb tortillas and dip it in there. It's like the enchilada sauce. Dip it in there. Nice and coat it. Number 2. Cheese. See how much of a mess I can make. I need to use a fork. Just use your hand because it's so tender. A little cheese on top, because why not? More cheese is better, right? Ooh, buddy. Come on now. Hold it down so it doesn't flip open on me. Man. Look at that. Game changer. Whoa. Wow. With the flavors of the beef and all that, all the seasoning, game changer. Man. Almost like a restaurant, but I'm at home. That's good. Let's go.